everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to pair Netflix game controller with a TV. If you want to pair your Netflix game controller with your TV, this guide will show you the easiest method. You can use your mobile phone as a controller with your TV and connect it to your smart TV in just a few steps. Ensure both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi and logged in into the same Netflix account. Then open Netflix on TV and go to the game section. Choose a game that supports mobile controller play. When the game starts on TV, it will display a pairing screen or QR code. Open Netflix app on your phone and tap the controller icon. Then scan the QR code or follow the instructions to connect. After successful pairing, your phone becomes the controller. You can now use touch controls on to play games easily. If there is lag, reconnect to Wi-Fi or restart the app. Always keep your Netflix app updated for better performance. Not all games support TV controller mode, so check the game compatibility before starting. That's it. Now you know how to play Netflix game and game controller with TV. Thanks for watching. See you next time.